Hey guys, we are in Nashville, Tennessee, and I know what you're gonna say. This is our favorite place to be.
It is.
But we are hosting our staff retreat, which is right behind us, and we are also hosting the HSN Live Workshop.
It is gonna be a wild few days. We just finished a workout, but we have such a fun weekend planned to inspire gym owners to prioritize health inside of their gym. But first,
we are hosting a Iron Chef competition with the staff, so follow along.
I'm just so thankful for what I get to do in life. I just want to give us a hand clap for getting here to Nashville. Listen. We're talking about food, we're talking about each other.
he's on a mission, this guy over there. Look at him.
Make sure when you're plated, your judges have something to eat with. You all did really cover a lot of ground in 25 minutes. So they were picking up what you were putting down.
There you go. That was so much fun. We cannot wait for the live workshop tomorrow. We have Tim Arnold speaking, and of course, you cannot come to Nashville without some live music. See you there.